a lot of this stuff is in my way, so I'm just going to turn it off. I'm just going to pick this elevation in VH, and also the sections VH, just to get them out of my way, and this topography line seems to be following me around, so I'm going to move it. So now I want to make some stairs that go down. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go to Architecture and Stair, and I'm going to pick the monolithic white stair. You guys should have that. And I want to edit that type, so I want to change something about that type, and the thing I want to change is I want the maximum riser height to be 6 inches instead of 7, so it's a little bit, you know, less steep. I'll click OK, and it's going to yell at us a little bit, and that's fine. Just click OK, and I'm going to set my run to the right. And then I want to think a little bit about where I want the stair to go, because I want the base level is plan A1, and the base offset, so the bottom of the stair is at -7 feet, let's say, because the water's at sort of -8 feet. And then the top level is also plan A1, but that offset is going to be -6 inches. So you're basically having to come in and set these things that you would maybe be modeling visually in Rhino. But now it's showing you the stair height is 6'6", and I'm just going to come over here at the top of this building pad and left click, and it's going to tell me how many risers I need, and when I'm done I just left click and it puts the stair in backwards, which I don't understand what that's about, but you know, whatever. And so it starts obviously at the bottom and goes to the top, but I always start at the top and go to the bottom. So I guess that makes more sense if you're obviously working on a floor plan and 1 and going to floor plan 2, which is typical. But I'm going to select check here, and I can pick that and I can reverse it. So by flipping it, and you can see that that guy is reversed. And so I'm going to need a building pad sort of down at the bottom, you know, to accept those stairs. The other thing I'll do is I'll edit the stairs here, select them, and I just want those to be as wide as the patio. So we'll make that 18 feet wide for right now, right? So I'll hit check, right? And so you can see the stairs are kind of coming out here at the bottom. But if we come and spin around, they're kind of buried on that side, which maybe that's okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a building pad down here at the bottom that kind of comes out and goes up next to the water.